Hi, this is Kim. Welcome back. Welcome to another step-by-step lesson. Today, as you can tell, I'm going to be talking about Windows Update. Windows Update is a built-in part of Windows that is in the security area that allows you to update your computer. It's security updates, there's driver updates, there's feature updates. Sometimes you'll have trouble running the updates. You'll get screens like this, that some updates were not installed, these 9 failed, these 2 failed, try again. And it's this unknown error that's kind of annoying because you don't really know what happened. Sometimes you could go, 5-6 times in a row trying to update it and it'll just keep failing. So I have some tips for you on what to do in that case and how to get past it. First of all, to get to the Windows Update area, just click on the Start, go to the gear, which is Settings, and we're going to go to the Update and Security section, which is right here. It opens up into your Windows Update page. This computer has successfully updated. I don't have any errors, so if there were some, they would be right here. And I could say click to install, and it may or may not work. So I wanted to show you what to do in that case. So on the left over here is a troubleshoot. So click on that, and then there's a lot of troubleshooters in here. But I kind of wanted to show you a variety of which ones, what's in here. So if something on your device isn't working, run a troubleshooter and you might find help and fix the problem. So this, you have some choices here. I would suggest leaving it on Ask Me Before, because you want to be able to run them, but I don't want it to automatically run anything. So anyways, it says I was last checked never. So I've never used the troubleshooter before, but that's okay. So we're going to go to additional troubleshooters, and this is going to show a whole bunch. So if you look at this list, there's quite a few. If you're having troubles with your internet, playing audio, printing, this is the one we're going to use, but I'll show you what else is in here. Bluetooth problems, direct access, incoming connections, your keyboard, network adapter, power, program compatibility, recording audio, searching and indexing, shared folders, speech, video, and the Windows Store. So there's a lot of troubleshooters built in. Right now we're just going to go to the Windows Update troubleshooter. Even though I'm not having problems, it's not going to hurt to run this. So I'm going to run the troubleshooter. Hopefully it doesn't find any problems because I don't think I have any. This is about a 50-50 chance of fixing your problem if you're having that update error issue. But it's always a good thing to try first. Yeah, right now it's seeing if it can detect any problems. They couldn't identify the problem. So if it had something else to try, it would say, would you like to try this? And you'd click that or whatever. But I'm just going to close the troubleshooter because I don't really have a problem. But you could just keep following the prompts. So close it. Okay. And then restart the computer at this time. I'm not going to do that, but you'd restart and try getting your updates again. If you got the same error again, then I want you to go to, open up my other screen here. So I want you to Google Windows Update Assistant. Okay, you want the one that is actually at support.microsoft.com. It should be at the top. So anyways, you're going to click there, and it's going to take you to a screen. You can read this whole thing if you want to, but it's basically telling you to download the Update Assistant, and yeah, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to download the Assistant. You can wait for it to do an automatic update and hopefully fix it, but this almost always fixes the problem. So download the assistant. It takes you to this page. So you have two choices. You can do update now, or you can download the tool now. Download the tool now is not really going to give you a tool. It's going to update your version of Windows. So you can use either one. This is where I would suggest you start first. So do update now. If I'm using Chrome, and down here is where the downloads come for Chrome. So just double click on it. Windows should ask me, let's see, Smart Screen can't be, if you're it's telling me that Smart Screen is unreachable and can't help me decide if I want to run this app or not. I'm going to go ahead and run it because I know it's from Microsoft and I know it's safe. So there we go. It's getting, my Windows just asked me to give it permission to run. So now I'm running. I already have the latest version, but if I didn't, it would go through right now and download it and install it. You know, it could take several minutes, but if it doesn't say this, then you're going to definitely have to download some updates. Once you get to once you run this one time, it should be enough to restart the computer and then go back into Windows updates, and it should work. Make sure you reboot after you do each of these steps, because that's important. But like I said, once you click on, exit this, okay, so once you click here, it'll check to see, and if you've been having error after error after error, I'm sure you're not on the latest version. So this would definitely update your computer to a later version, maybe not the very latest, but a much later version. And then when you restart your computer, if it's not the latest version, then when you go to Windows Update, by going Start, Settings, and then go to Windows Update here, then there may be some for you to run. And then you'll click Run, Install, whatever it says. And it should complete successfully. I'm not kidding, it's happened. This fixes it almost every time. But this one also fixes it about half the time. So it's worthwhile to try this step first. So anyways, yeah, so that's it. So make sure you're checking your Windows updates and running them often. Keep your computer up to date. Like I said, it not only keeps the Windows 10 software secure and up to date, it also helps with drivers for your devices, because they'll be updated with the Windows update also. And there will be new features added, and if you don't update, you won't get those new features. So there you go. I hope this was helpful, and if you're having errors, I hope this solved your problem. So if you like this video, please click like, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks. Bye-bye.